Because there's some really surprising things in here and I know you'll love them. So stay tuned. And how about that next gen suite? That's pretty cool. If you'd like to see this home on a private tour, please give me a call at 702-813-9454. Or if you'd like to see homes in the area, please don't hesitate. 702-813-9454. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye.